No problem, girl.
Home is where the heart is. You can be departed.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm basically doing a mukbang. Really craving some McDonald's today. So I've got my Fanta, a big tasty, some spicy chicken nuggets. I actually haven't tried these before. I've got some, what are these, cheese bites? Let me just read the receipt. Guys, that is cheese melt dippers. And they came with like spicy tomato sauce. Spicy tomato sauce also came with the chicken nuggets. I've got a couple of them. I've got about 4 because it's 20 nuggets. I've got barbecue dip as well. Sweet chili dip. I've got my chips. And I'm just gonna get right into this, guys. I can't live without my sweet chili dip. I'm just so hungry. This is like my last day picking up like this because it's my birthday soon. I've got a dress to fit into. So, yeah. I love my Fanta. The delivery guy forgot my straw. Oh, I also got an apple pie here. The cheese dippers. The big taster. I'm not gonna pick that up. Should I pick it up? Alright guys, I'll pick it up for you. It's there. It's there. The big taster. Let's try a cheese. They're a bit cold. The nuggets are still warm. The delivery guy got lost, you see. This spicy tomato sauce is not bad. They're right. I think they'll definitely taste better if they were still warm. I had a long day today. Been at work all day. And got myself a takeaway. And I just thought to myself, why don't I do a mukbang? Because I've never tried the spicy chicken nuggets. And you know what? Everyone's been talking about the spicy chicken nugget. I just want to see for myself. You can't just take everybody's word for it, you know? I actually got a lot of spicy tomato sauce. It tastes nuggets. If you guys are thinking that my voice sounds a bit stuffy, I'm ill. I've been ill for a couple of days. They're not spicy on their own. They have a little bit of a kick to them, but it's kind of the spicy dip that makes them spicy. It shouldn't be called spicy nuggets. It should just be called nuggets that come with a spicy sauce. I'm disappointed. They're nice though, but they ain't spicy. Yeah, I feel like crossing out where it says spicy. They're actually not spicy. Like, if you see me looking over there a lot, I'm looking in a mirror. There's a mirror over there. Because I hate when there's like food around my mouth and stuff. Yeah. I don't like to be all messy and stuff with it. But I know the burger's gonna be messy though. I know that for a fact. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna finish this. We probably might not get to the apple pie. Might eat that tomorrow. Because it's definitely almost my bedtime, guys. I haven't had one of these in ages. When I do get McDonald's, which is rare, I normally just have a Big Mac meal. Yeah. Normally like a Big Mac and chips. Or nuggets and chips. Let's get our barbecue dip open. The barbecue dip, these are like 20p. So it's a sweet chili dip meal. Pardon. Like, this is good. This is good. I'm getting real full. I'm done with the nuggets. This was a 20 box. There's 10 left. Like, they're alright, but I would say that if I would order nuggets again, I'm getting the normal nugget. Yep. Guys are probably thinking, oh my gosh, like, why would she get 20 nuggets? Like, 20 is just too much. She's so greedy. It's a bargain. It is a bargain. So yeah. Has your food ever been so good that like you just want to sing about it? Like, you remind me of a girl that I once knew. I know I can't sing, but I'm not even gonna lie. I actually thought I could sing at one point, like for the longest. Like probably, I'm 24 now. I thought I could sing until I was about 15. And you know what? My friends actually thought I was joking. So like, I used to say it, like I can sing, but like, no one really used to say anything to me. One day I was just like, I could actually sing. So my friends always thought I was joking or whatever. But like, I was serious about it. Like, I thought I could sing. Like, you see when you're hitting your high notes in the shower, like, I took that seriously. Like, I'm just like, oh, and I will always love you. Yeah, I thought I could sing. And you know, like when everyone in your household and you're singing and everyone's just like, shut up. Like, I'm there thinking they're the biggest hate of this. They're so jealous because I can sing and they can't. Like, listen, I'm being so messy right now. I ain't got no tissue. So my friends were just like, you know what? Be serious then, Ashley. Be serious. Like, sing for us. Like, let's hear you. Like, you think you can actually sing. Like, Go on that.
You cheeky little fucker.
I ain't been joking this whole time that I've been singing to you, and you're telling me be serious. Alright, cool. So anyways, I let that go. So I sang for them, and then I stood there, bare serious, straight after I finished singing for them. And then they all just started busting up laughing. I'm not gonna lie, my feelings were hurt. And then like I went home and I thought to myself, is everyone a hater, or can I actually not sing? So I had to record myself real quick on my Sony Ericsson. Back then it was Sony Ericsson. I was 15. When you're 15, you're in year 10. It was 2010. Because my year group used to go with the year. I just didn't have the courage to go to X Factor like I planned to. So yeah. After I recorded myself, I listened to it back and realised I sounded like a drowning cat. It was game over. So all those years when I thought everyone was hating on me, they weren't. I was shit. Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy. That was good. Drink some water now because my it's finished. I'm throwing these away. So yeah guys, we are left with 10 nuggets, an apple pie, and 2 cheese dippers. I am not eating another bite. I am stuffed. Like literally I just want to drink some water and like lay down, which is not the best thing to do. I should go for a jog really, but I'm just so full and tired, and it's been a long day. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to check the description box below, because I will be putting all my previous videos in the description box, and I'll also be, and you can also find me on Instagram on Ashley_J_X. That will be in the description box below as well, and you can literally just click away and go and check my Instagram out. That's where you can contact me as well. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys.
Yeah, done Dillz. IESHER. Yeah, I've been